The judge's shocking declaration left the courtroom in stunned silence. Supreme Court refuses adjournment in pleas against law removing CJI from EC selection panel. The Supreme Court has refused to adjourn the hearing on petitions challenging the law. The law removed the Chief Justice of India from the panel responsible for appointing the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners. Senior advocates Vijay Hansaria and Gopal Sankarnarayanan appeared for the petitioners. This matter is most important, Justice Deepankar Datta declared, refusing Solicitor General Tushar Mehta's request for an adjournment. The Supreme Court of India has refused to adjourn the hearing on petitions challenging the law that removed the Chief Justice of India from the panel responsible for appointing the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners. The matter, which was originally listed before a bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant, came up for hearing yesterday. Senior advocate Vijay Hansaria and senior advocate Gopal Sankarnarayanan appeared for the petitioners, arguing that the law gives the government an upper hand in the selection of officials responsible for conducting free and impartial elections. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had sought an adjournment, citing his engagement in a 9-judge bench hearing in the Sabarimala reference. Justice Deepankar Datta declined the request, observing that the hearing date had been fixed a month in advance. He directed that the Solicitor General's associates take notes for the day and allowed the petitioners to begin their arguments, adding that the court would hear the Solicitor General's submissions on a later date. Was this verdict fair or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. If you're facing issues with your right to vote, file a complaint at your local election commission office within 15 days of the election. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.